Yaffe here, Paul Yaffe's Bagger Nation. Today we are playing with Harley-Davidson's new Road Glide 3 platform, and I want to share with you some of the cool accessories we have on the front end that really dress the bike up and really give it a cool custom look. First, we have a series of direct bolt-on fenders. These are 14 gauge, deep drawn from one piece, made in the USA, steel fenders. They come with fender spacers to adapt the fender to the fork legs. We have 4 styles: the Café, the Thicky, the Talon, and then shown here is the DEI. It's a direct bolt-on replacement part, bolts on in 5 minutes. And we also make a whole series of these for 21-inch wheels if you're doing a custom 21-inch wheel conversion on your Road Glide. Just FYI, these also fit stock Road Glides, standard Road Glides, not 3-wheelers, from 2015 to 2023, and we also make them for 13 and earlier Road Glides as well. Next, I'm going to talk about a spoiler. We love spoilers on the front of the bagger frames. Totally frame the front of the frame, clean up all the clutter and mess up there. They really kind of give the radiator and the regulator a purpose as far as a place where they look like they belong there. The chin scoop, the spoiler comes with a really cool perforated grill that you glue in after paint. Again, direct bolt-on part. They come, they're made right here in Phoenix in our composite shop, and they just really give a really cool finished look to the front of the bike. Direct bolt-on, 5-minute install, no big deal. That's called the Swoop Chin Spoiler. Again, DEI front fender. Check them all out at baggernation.com. Thanks for watching.